According to surveillance footage obtained by the Daily Mail, Amber Heard and Elon Musk had an intimate moment together.
Johnny Depp has dragged the Tesla billionaire Elon Musk into his $50 million libel action against his ex-wife. The Pirates of the Caribbean star, who previously accused Musk of having an affair with Amber Heard during their tumultuous marriage, has demanded that he be interviewed and hand over details of all of his contact with her. Johnny Depp may drag Elon Musk to court to tackle Amber Heard in libel case. Johnny Depp has been in and out of court with his ex-wife Amber Heard for 5 years, but it seems that he has no plans to leave a legal battle sometime soon. Johnny Depp, the star of Pirates of the Caribbean, is locked in a divorce dispute with his ex-wife Amber Heard. He was convicted of physical abuse and domestic abuse by the Aquaman actress. In response, the actor filed a $50 million defamation action against her. Aside from that, there's also another fight going on with his son. The Pirates of the Caribbean star, 56, recently lost a harrowing defamation case against the son when a British judge determined the publication's portrayal of him as a wife-beater was substantially true, based on testimonies of their frequent altercations. As a result, the Fantastic Beasts star filed a lawsuit against News Group newspapers and its editor Dan Wootton. The lawsuit, dubbed the Johnny Depp libel action, sees new developments each week. The Pirates of the Caribbean star, who earlier charged Musk of having affairs with Amber Heard amid their turbulent marriage, has ordered that Musk be interrogated and records all of his interactions with Amber Heard be turned over. In the middle of it all, Johnny Depp's lawyer has demanded that Amber Heard turn over any contacts with her and her rocket man. It has already been disclosed in the trial that Heard frequently referred to Elon Musk using that term. Not only that, but Johnny Depp's lawyer, David Sherborne, has now pulled James Franco into the fray. Earlier, the court summoned Franco to testify about his suspected connection with Amber. Johnny Depp has had all at stake: his image, his career, as well as his personal life. In a serious turn of events, the actors lost the libel trial against the son last year. The court went on to pronounce that the wife-beater claims weren't defaming, and this affected his career big time. While Amber Heard has been getting new roles, the ex-husband was ousted even from Fantastic Beasts 3, despite a day of shooting. The case between Amber Heard and Johnny Depp is one that people all over the world are becoming familiar with. As time continues on, the anticipation builds while fans of the actors wait for the official court hearing. Amber Heard slowly presents herself to be in a pretty bad situation, one that will be hard to come back from. Now, someone who was also involved in the issue between Amber Heard and Johnny Depp was in fact the Tesla billionaire, Elon Musk, but for some pretty interesting reasons. However, it just may be that Elon's time in this situation is not over yet, as Depp is not done dealing with him. While the libel trial has been lost, there is still a ray of hope. John is doing everything within his force to win the $50 million defamation suit against Heard's 2018 op-ed in the Washington Post. And if that requires him to drag a non-profit organization, so be it. Yes, that's exactly what is happening. As most know, Amber Heard pledged that she would donate $7 million divorce settlement sum to American Civil Liberties Union, or ACLU, in Children's Hospital Los Angeles. A few months later, ACLU even released a public statement confirming the donation of a respective amount directly. But as for Johnny Depp, he isn't convinced. The documents continues that the subpoenas are for discovery concerning any donations to the ACLU Foundation by Ms. Heard or in her name, and or any public statements related to such donations, communications with Ms. Heard or those acting on her behalf concerning her relationship with her, Depp, and divorce from Mr. Depp, discovery concerning Ms. Heard's work as an ambassador for the ACLU Foundation, and the conception, drafting, and placement of the op-ed and communications with Ms. Heard or those acting on her behalf concerning the Virginia action and the preparation and submission of the Wisner Declaration. Johnny Depp believes that Amber Heard is lying about paying the divorce settlement sum to charity. In fact, he believes it was her then boyfriend Elon Musk who came to the rescue and paid on her behalf. To get to the root of it all, the Pirates of the Caribbean actor has sued ACLU. As per the court documents, Johnny respectfully requests that this court enter an order directing the ACLU witnesses to fully comply with the subpoenas. Johnny Depp even feels that the libel trial ruling has been majorly impacted by the judge who got swayed looking at Amber's charitable deeds and now is trying to overturn it. Not content with taking it on the chin, Johnny is now suing the American Civil Liberties Union or ACLU to find out if Amber, 35, fulfilled her promise to donate $7 million divorce settlement to the charity. She declared she didn't want Johnny's money after their explosive 2016 breakup and vowed instead to split the sum between two good causes. Johnny Depp has spent 5 years ducking it out in court with ex-wife Amber Heard, but he's not planning to call it quits on the legal drama anytime soon. The Pirates of the Caribbean star 56 recently lost a bruising defamation case against The Sun when a British court agreed the publication's depiction of him as a wife-beater was substantially true, based on accounts of their numerous altercations. In January, sources reveal documents turned over by hospital bosses to Johnny's lawyers suggested the hospital received only $100,000, a lot less than promised $3.5 million gift that they have been promised. I remained financially independent from him, Johnny, the whole time we were together, and the entire amount of my divorce settlement was donated to charity, she told British authorities in a statement. However, while prodding the ACLU for evidence of Amber's actual donation, Johnny's team came across email correspondence between her and Anthony Romero, the executive director of the ACLU, from June 2017. It showed that the ACLU had received a $350,000 donation from Amber, a $100,000 donation from Johnny towards Amber's pledge, and an anonymous $500,000 donation, which according to the emails is from Elon. The ACLU has refused to cooperate, and Johnny's teams has ramped up the pressure by filing a motion in the New York Supreme Court to end their outrageous stonewalling. His lawyers are demanding evidence to prove Amber was lying when she boasted about the donation, not only in interviews but in evidence she gave to a London court in February last year. Elon is believed to refer to a 49-year-old Tesla Elon Musk, with whom Amber is alleged to have had a romantic relationship during and after her marriage to Johnny. Johnny's lawyers concluded Amber donated $450,000 to the ACLU and not the $3.5 million she claimed.